In a quiet green village, there lived a gentle little kitten named Mitu.
Careful, the cat is nearby.
The little mice were always afraid of Mitu. Then a terrible drought came. Food became scarce for everyone.
Run! She will eat us!
Don't be afraid. I am hungry too, but I won't hurt you. There are grains under that wooden cart, but we are too small to move it.
She did it! There's food!
Soon, the rains returned and the village came back to life. Kindness can turn even enemies into family. When we help each other, friendship grows stronger than fear.